In this video, I'm going to show you how to import video game models into Blender safely and efficiently. First, you will need some model. A trusted source is Sketchfab. Just go to any browser to your liking and search for sketchfab.com and sign in with your account. You can find a wide range of 3D game assets and just go to the search bar and search for any game models that you want. I'm just gonna go with game, and after typing, just click on licenses and click on the drop down and make sure CC BY is selected to ensure the assets are safe to use, and just choose any of the models that you want to download. Let's say I want to download this particular model. I'll just click on it and scroll down a little bit and you will see download 3D model option. So I'll just click on download 3D model and you will see the available download formats. You will mainly be looking for OBJ, FBX or DAE files. So I'm just gonna go with the OBJ format. I'll just click on download and you will see our download will be successfully done. So I'll just go to the file location like so and I'll just click on extract all. I'll choose my folder where I want to extract it. So I'm just gonna go with videos and select the folder and extract it. And once that it has been extracted, you will see two folders which are sources and textures. For this tutorial, we are just gonna focus on sources and you will see this is our OBJ file. Now just go to the Blender and just go to file and click on import, and the format we downloaded earlier was OBJ. So I'll just select OBJ and go to the folder, which in my case was videos, sources, and this is the file. So I'll just click on it and click on import. And as you can see, we have successfully imported a game model into Blender. And that's it for the video.